Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a long screenshot on OnePlus Open 5G. You can take a long screenshot of a vertical content that you would typically scroll through in just a simple step. So let's open a vertical content that you can scroll through. For example, open Google. Here is your Google Discover, and let's screenshot it all by first creating a normal screenshot and then pressing on scroll. Let's make a normal screenshot. To do it, press on two buttons at once, power and volume down. Let's press on them. Now the screenshot is created, and press on scroll. Now a scroll shot was created. You can scroll to the very bottom to capture the whole screen, or you can stop at whatever you want, and this line is gonna be at the end of your screenshot, but I'm gonna do the whole page, then press on done, and now it's gotten saved to my device's gallery. So let's go to the gallery, and you can see that a long screenshot has been created. Zoom in and scroll through it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.